Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the weather beater floor mats from Husky Liner. These floor liners guard your factory carpets and are ready for all seasons and even spilled drinks. The weather beater liners are durable, rubberized thermoplastic, so it holds up to all kinds of abuse, so you know you're going to get a lot of life out of these liners. They have tall sidewalls and grooves to trap liquids and contain dirt, grime, and debris. Husky Liners built these to be tough. Weather beater liners can stand up to water, snow, mud, motor oil, gas, and even battery acid. They're custom designed to your specific year, make, and model vehicle for that perfect fit and full coverage you need. Installing these liners is really easy, so we rate this a 1 out of 10, and it'll take you about 15 to 20 minutes. The weather beater floor liners from Husky Liners are made in the USA and backed with a limited lifetime warranty. If you would like to purchase the weather beater liners from Husky Liners, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.